Today I'm going to teach you how to print a PDF at actual size using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is essential when you need your document to print at its exact dimensions without any scaling, which is particularly important for technical drawings, forms, or any document where precise sizing matters. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main interface where you can access all your PDF files and tools. This is your starting point for managing and printing any PDF document at its true size. Next, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to print at actual size. The Recent Files section makes it quick and convenient to access documents you've been working with, saving you time from having to browse through folders. Click on the PDF you need, and it will open in the main viewing area. Once your document is open, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Print button. This is the quickest way to access printing options directly. Alternatively, if you prefer using the menu, click on the menu icon in the upper left corner and select Print from the drop-down list. Both methods will take you to the same print settings dialog. Now comes the crucial step for ensuring actual size printing. Navigate to the Page Sizing and Handling section in the Print dialog. Here, you'll see various options for how your document will be scaled. Look for the option labeled Actual Size and click the circle beside it. This setting is what ensures your PDF prints at its exact dimensions without any automatic scaling or fitting to the page, which could distort measurements or proportions. After selecting Actual Size, click the Print button to proceed. You might notice a slight pause as Adobe processes your print settings and prepares the document. This is normal and ensures all your selected options are applied correctly. Next, you'll need to select where you want to save the file on your computer. A file browser window will appear, allowing you to choose the destination folder. Take your time here to select the most appropriate location so you can easily find your printed PDF later. If needed, rename the file to something more descriptive or organized. This step helps you keep track of different versions or copies of your documents, especially if you're printing multiple files with similar names. Finally, click Save to complete the process. Your PDF will now be saved and ready for printing at its actual size, maintaining all the precise dimensions and measurements of the original document. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your PDF to print at actual size using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.